Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In this video, we are going to discuss about chapter number 9 and chapter name is A Time to Celebrate. Chapter name is A Time to Celebrate. So student, now come on the activity. Here there's a given some activity. First of all, we will discuss about it. Let's do it. Let's paint a diya. So student, in this activity there is explanation of how to paint a diya. So first of all, the things that required in painting a diya are as follow. Here this given things you will need: 3/4 diya, 3 or 4 diya you will need it, tubes of paints, 3 or 4 diya tubes of paints, and paint brush are needed. Choose bright color such as red and yellow. So student, you have to choose dark and bright color such as red and yellow, orange, green, white. A design for painting a pencil and a plate. So what to do next? Now look at this step by step. Here there is some step to how to paint a diya. Draw the design with a pencil on the diya. So student, first of all you have to draw the design by pencil on diya. Next, press out little bits of different color on the plate. So student, next step is you have to take out some color on the plate. Next, dip the brush in the paint and carefully color the design. Do not mix the paint with water. So student, next step is you have to dip the brush in paint and color the diya, and do not mix the paint with water because paint is a liquid and paint is enough to color the diya and water is not needed in the paint. Now next one is let's paint dry well. You point diya are ready. Your painted diya are ready. Sorry. Let's paint the dry well. Your painted diyas are ready. So student, and now the last one is when you paint the diya and after that your painted diya are ready for burning. Now come on the topic. So first of all, you have to read this paragraph. In India, and chapter name is A Time to Celebrate. Celebration. Celebration means we celebrate festival, weddings, birthday. So there are many celebration, and in this chapter we are going to discuss about the celebration of festival, celebration of religious festival. So student, first of all read this paragraph. In India, we observe certain special days such as our festival and our national days. So student, in India, there are some special days like in the form of festival and in the form of national festival. What are festival? Festival are days or period of celebration. They are a time for having fun, meeting relatives and friends, wearing new clothes and eating tasty food. So student, festival are the day or period of celebration. And you can say festival is a time of fun and frolic. They are time for having fun, meeting relatives and friends, wearing new clothes and eating tasty food. So student, we celebrate some festival are all over the country while some festival are celebrated only in particular states or region. Festival are of national importance, religious importance and social importance. So student, we celebrate different festival. We celebrate the national festival, religious festival and the festival that are of social importance. We also celebrate the festival. So student, I hope you all understand about what is festival and what are festival. Now come on next page. Look at the next page. In India, we have different kind of festival: religious festival, harvest festival, and festival to celebrate the new year. So, student, in our country, there are different kind of festival: religious festival, like the festival which is related to your religions, like Navratri, Dasahara, Diwali, Eid ul Fitr are also the religious festival, and such festival are of religious importance. Harvest festival, we celebrate the festival for harvest for the crop, and festival to celebrate the new year, and we celebrate the new year as a festival. So student, these are the kinds of festival, and in this video we are going to discuss about the religious festival. Now look at this. What is religious festival? In India, we have people belonging to different religions: the Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Jains, Buddhist, and Parsi. All celebrated their special religious festival with great enthusiasm. So, student, religious festival that are of religious importance, festival that are of religious importance, because every religious have special and particular festival. So, festival that are religious importance are called religious festival, like Navratri, Dashehra, Diwali, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, Guru Purab, and other such festival are of religious importance. This festival are celebrated all over the country. So, student, religious festival means festival which are related to your religious. Now look at the religious festival one by one. First one is Navratri and Dashehra. Now look at this. Navratri. Navratri and Dashehra are important festival of the Hindus. People celebrate this festival in different ways in different parts of India. Navratri is celebrated over a period of 9 days. People worship the goddess Durga during Navratri. The 10th day of celebration is called Dashehra. Celebrate the defeat of Ravan, the king of Lanka, by Ram, the prince of Ayodhya. It marks the victory of good over evil. So, student, the Sahara is a religious festival of Hindus, and it is a festival that is celebrated for ninth continuous day. Hence, it is known as the Dashehra. Dashehra, Das means 10, and Navratri. Navratri means 9. Navratri means we celebrate Navratri continuous 9 days, and on the 10th day we celebrate Dashehra. The 10th day of Dashehra is celebrated at Vijayadashmi. So student, the 10th day of the Dashehra is celebrated at the Vijayadashmi, and Vijayadashmi marks the victory of good over evil. Goddess Durga is worshipped in 9 different forms with 9 different names on each day of Dashehra. Navratri. The student, I hope you all understand about Dashehra and Navratri. Now look at the next festival, Diwali. Diwali is also a religious festival of Hindus, and Diwali is one of the most beautiful festival of India. It is also called the festival of light. Hindus believe that Ram come back to Ayodhya on this day after defeating Ravan. Numerous diyas, candles, and lamps are lit on Diwali night. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped at home in this evening. People share and eat sweet and special food. Some people also light firecrackers. So, student, Diwali is also a religious festival of India, and you can see Diwali is the festival of light. And on the occasion of Diwali, people celebrate their home with diyas, that is oil lit earthen lamps, and burn crackers at night. And on the occasion of Diwali, we worship goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped on this day. And there are some precaution during the Diwali, and you should have to follow. So student, you should follow some precaution on the festival of Diwali. Do not use crackers. Student, Do not use crackers that produce too much of noise and sound, as these are harmful to infants. These are harmful to kids, child, and old people and patient, and it is also produce noise pollution. So student, these are the precaution that you should take on the festival of Diwali. Now look at the next festival, that is Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr is an important festival of the Muslim. It marks the end of Ramadan, a month long period of fasting. On Eid, people offer prayer at the mosque and greet each other. They wear new clothes and enjoy a feast, a long meal with their families and friends. Student, Eid ul Fitr is also a religious festival of Muslim, and it is celebrated by the Muslims. Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Juha are the two important Eid that is the festival of Muslims. During the holy month of Ramjan, people observe fasting, that is, they do not eat food during daytime. So student, during the Eid, people do not eat food during the daytime. On Eid ul Fitr day, people greet each other and saying Eid Mubarak after namaz prayer in the mosque. A special dish called Shemai is prepared on Eid ul Fitr day. People distribute money and clothes to the poor. So student, I hope you all understand about Eid ul Fitr, and it is celebrated by the Muslim. Now look at the next religious festival is Christmas. On 25th December, people all over the world celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. So student, Christmas, you have to celebrate the Christmas on the birthday of Jesus Christ, and it is the religious festival of Christmas. It is an important festival of Christmas. People buy gifts for their friends and families. They go to the church and pray. They later enjoy a feast at home. Christmas is celebrated with great enthusiasm in India. So student, Christmas is the religious festival of Christian, and it is celebrated by the religious of it is celebrated by the Christian. The birthday of Jesus Christ is celebrated at Christmas. So student, on the on 25th December we celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ as Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th December. People keep beautifully decorate Christmas tree in their homes. So student, all the Christian decorate the Christmas tree in their home. People exchange cake and gift on this day. Student, on the occasion of Christmas, the Christian exchange cakes and gifts on this day. Special prayer are offered in the church. So student, on the occasion of Christmas, the Christian offered the special prayer in the church. So now look at the next religious festival, that is Guru Purab. The Sikhs celebrate the birthday of anniversary. The Sikhs celebrate the birth anniversary of the Sikh Gurus as Guru Purab. Guru Nanak Jayanti, or the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev, is one of the main Guru Purab. There are several other important religious festivals. So student, Guru Purab is also a religious festival that is celebrated by a Sikh. Guru Purab is celebrated in the honor and remembrance of Sikh Guru, whose name is Sikh Guru, Guru Purab, Guru Nanak Dev. People take part in huge procession taken out on this day. Prayers are held in Gurudwara across the country. So student, every Sikh offer prayer in Gurudwara across the country. On this day, free food called langar is distributed in the Gurudwara. So student, on the occasion of Guru Purab, every Sikh provide free food called langars to distribute in the Gurudwara to every person as a prasad. So student, these are the religious festival of India, and I hope you all understand about the religious festival, and there are some religious festival is explained in this video. So student, I hope you all understand, and you have to read and learn about the religious festival. That's all. Thank you.